Assalamu alaikum. Please turn on subtitles by clicking the CC icon. No. Find TEALHR/2022/05 dated October 21, 2022. To whom it may concern. The under-mentioned vehicle is assigned for official and private use to Mr. Hamza Ali S/O Nasrallah, CNIC and driving license number 11111-2222222-1, Senior Lab Manager in the Chemical Department at Fine Tea Ltd, Lahore. A. Vehicle No. B. Model. C. Year. D. Color, white. E. Registration No. F. Engine No. G. Chassis No. Deputy General Manager Admin. Fine Tea Ltd, Lahore. Please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon to get updates of new videos. A link is available in the description to copy the text of this video. Thanks for watching my video.